So this is how autopilot changes lanes before the 3.0 upgrade. So I'm on my way to get my 3.0 upgrade. So I woke up a bit late. It's 9:25 a.m. The the appointment for the service center is at 10 o'clock. So 10 a.m. So hopefully I'll get that done. The place is only 10 minutes away, so I should be good. But still, I try to be early, like half an hour. But I haven't gotten my coffee yet. It's crazy out there. The traffic is pretty alright. It's moving pretty good. Yeah, that's our airport right there. But yeah, this is how it looks before the upgrade. So yeah, once I do the upgrade, obviously I'll do a autopilot test and first impressions and stuff. But for now, that's how it is. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the service center. Alrighty, we are at the Mississauga Service Center. As you can see, about to get my FSD upgraded. Hopefully, I get my FSD upgraded. So let's go in there and talk to the reception and see what they say. So I'll talk to you. I'll talk back to you guys. I need my coffee. All right. It's currently, what's the time? 3:30 p.m. It was done about an hour ago. I just looked at my app and realized, oh, it's done. So I'm gonna come pick it up. So I just got the Uber, come here. It was nice. So right, I'm now waiting outside the service center. I cannot get in through and sit inside the visitors, or I mean the waiting area, because of the beer flu. So I'm outside waiting for my receptionist to come in and give me my key, and I'll be on my merry way. All right, I'm in my Model 3. Finally, it's been 5 hours. It doesn't seem that bad. It's pretty all right. So let me show you guys what's up with the car. So let's see the update. It's on 2020.4.1, so it's not on the latest because they have to downgrade it in order to do the upgrade. It's complicated, but it's pretty quick. I've heard stories of waiting for a week to 2 to 3 days, but this happened fairly quickly. I mean, it didn't take that long ago at all. But they washed all the mats. They actually cleaned the car pretty well. And they also charged it up to 90%. It was at 24% state of SOC, but they charge it up to 90%, which is really nice of them to do. As always, again, Saga Service Center is just fantastic. Let's go into the car software, additional vehicle information. Woohoo! Full self-driving computer, y'all. We got full self-driving. It wasn't that bad. I just made an appointment on my phone and got it right away. It was in I thought I'm gonna get rejected, but because most people did. But after seeing that video on YouTube from Tesla Connect, I went ahead and made the appointment. It wasn't too bad at all. I got my car back. And let's go calibrate, and let's go get a coffee first. Navigate to Starbucks. I need my coffee. Let's just go here for a coffee. Closest. Let's go get a coffee, and yeah, this is the software. I mean, this is the hardware 3.0 upgrade saga. Well, it's not really a saga. It was really short and sweet. I didn't have any issues at all whatsoever. So I'll see you guys in the next video, which would be calibration. Well, actually, you know what? let me take you guys through the calibration stage also. So I'll see you guys in the road after I get my coffee. So the car started calibrating right away, right after I put it into drive. So it's calibrating as of now. There's nobody. Let's just go. Cool. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Last time when I first last time it calibrated, oh, I'm seeing cones. I thought I needed to be in 20.8 to see that. I'm not complaining. I am not complaining at all. It's also okay seeing that as a cone too, because that has like cone traffic cone things. Okay, let's just go. Cool. That is pretty dang cool. So I'm already seeing cones, but it's just calibrating. Again, last time I did that, it was first time I ever got into the car on my delivery day. It took about 30 kilometers to calibrate. I will drive until it finish calibrating. So we'll go for a sweet long ride. As I'm at Starbucks, I just got my coffee. Several things I noticed. All the apps that you were signed into is signed out, so you don't have Netflix or YouTube. I signed into my Netflix, but I have trouble signing into YouTube. I have to deal with that later. But for now, everything works fine. Your phone wasn't connected, so I mean, my phone wasn't connected, so I had to connect that. What else? Oh yeah, backup camera is much more, how do I say it, cinematic than before. I do see a little bit of graininess happening at the bottom here. Like, I don't know if you can pick it up in the camera. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. But overall, quality wise, it's a bit better. I mean, I like the old camera too, so I don't really have any complaints. I gotta take a look at the Sentry mode cameras on the side and the front camera, because those weren't the best quality. Let's see how that went. But other than that, it was a pretty easy swap of the computer. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video, which would be I'm gonna have to test out the autopilot with the system, and I will make another video, but I'm not gonna rush that video because things are getting really bad around here. I'm gonna have to quarantine myself. But other than that, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, again, give it a likes, subscribe, and I see you guys in the next video. This is me, Mathurshan, signing out.